Here's the exterior face of the windows. This is the side that has the putty glazing on it. And after the first coat, what the guys have done is put some white caulking around the putty glass junction. So we're gonna sand this window and do one more coat so that tomorrow we'll cut out the liquid masking, and that seal there will give us many more years of on the paint job. Now, part of our project is to refinish these double hung windows in the kitchen here at the Darlington House. So what we're gonna do is, you'll see here, there's what's called a stop right along there. That's been taken off, so we can actually take the window out to work on it and get it all the surfaces that we need to. Now, these windows have some fairly fresh paint on the backside, and so to protect them, as we've got the full weight of the window sitting on that fresh paint, we've used this very, very flexible foam called backer rod to lay the windows down on, so we don't mar the freshly painted surface. It dried overnight, so we're laying it down now to get the other side of the windows for the finish coat. So this is the material we're using. It's called backer rod, and it's just a nice little hack of taping this down to the hard aluminum and creating a pillow.